Hi everyone, this is Juan again. I'm gonna show you today my office mug. It's a multi-floor. I get the instruction by eBay. It's easy to get the parts by Bricklink. I don't remember, I'm not sure, but maybe it's like 1,000 or 1,200 pieces for make this mug. I've been collecting the pieces for maybe like a year, doing with patience. The good part of this mug, if I want to make it more tall, I have the opportunity because this floor, I can repeat it how many times I want. Another nice part of this building is this: you can open the doors of these two floors. I don't have nothing inside yet. I have planned for the future. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. If somebody can give me an idea. You can see, I can use it with the city, with the downtown. It's like modular style building. Here we can make the reception. It's just I need to see what I'm gonna do with them. Oh, for disassembling it's very easy. I can separate this part. I can separate this one too. Let me stick this one together again. I can keep separating the floors. Even this one, I can separate it and leave only the base. You can get this instruction by eBay. It's a very cheap price, I think like $4, something like that. He can offer you a better price. When I get this, I pay like $2, something like that. It's not gonna be the same always for everybody. The seller have another one with the same color, the tan color, more bigger, it's more white. It can be like a corporate. It's more expensive, that one, but of course you're gonna use more pieces. I hope you like this video. Please let me know any comment, any idea what I can do with it, okay?